This is Zagatech FX. All right, today we're going to talk about trend lines. In my former lectures, we've covered a little bit about forex. The support and resistance, and the support turns resistance, resistance turns to support, and so many other things. All right. We no further ado. If you want to get to see the lectures about this topic I've just mentioned now, you can go to my YouTube channel. That's www.youtube.com/Zagatech. The description of the video will be below this video, or you can write me up. And also, you can be able to join the Telegram channel where Signal comes with this chart if you understand price action, if you understand things to use in the financial market. All right, let's dive into the real deal and talk about this lecture today. All right, without further ado, let's move into the what we call uh, trend line. So when drawing trend lines, you want to first be able to identify swing highs and swing low in the market. Now, this thing you are seeing now is a graphic representation of the market, and it will take the swing highs and the swing low. So the swing high is anything that is a substantial area of resistance, and swing low is a good area of support. Now, market is moving up, get rejected, and drops down. And it's very clear, guys. Someone can be easily to identify the swing high and the swing low. So market moves down here and gets rejected and goes up again. So it's very clear that this will be a swing low. So if we are able to identify the swing high and swing lows, it gives us more edge to move into the market system. So this will also give us an edge in order for us to draw a trend line. So to be able to identify the swing high and swing low, we'll also still move into the chart to understand it. So market gets up here, rejected, comes down, rejected again to form support, up again, rejected, that will bounces off the area, which is what the resistance, comes down again, form support. So all these things are swing highs and swing lows, swing highs and swing lows. All these things you see here are just a graphical representation of what I'm trying to explain about swing high and swing low. Now, this will help you to draw a trend line by targeting different edges of swing low or swing high when you are targeting for a buy or a sell signal, when you're trying to go short or go long. So these areas I've shown you guys will definitely help you to draw your trend line and pick at least 2-3 points of 2-3 points of a swing high or a swing low in order to draw your trend line. All right, let's move to the second picture of the chart. This is the chart representative like where you see it on your MT4, but I'll still move into MT4 to show you and use one currency pair and show you a swing high and a swing low. All right, now this chart now is the exact example, and the graphic I showed you previously, like this one, is something like this. You see that? So this graphics here is something I drew in this one. So look at the swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing low, high, low, low, and we have high here. All right. So we can be able to identify the swing highs and the swing lows. And this is what we are going to connect in order to do what? To draw a trend line. So let's move to the next one. Now, sometimes swing high and swing low is not going to be that kind of crystal clear for you to draw a trend line. For example, this is what you see here, more like a big rejection. So if you want to draw a trend line here, maybe you cannot be able to draw a trend line, and same thing applicable to swing low here. So price not immediately rejected. So price did not reject here as it rejected this area and this area. So price begin to range on this area before it's being rejected, and also price is rejecting this area before it bounces off above this area to form another high here, guys. So we have I think what I explained now is clear, guys. So let's dive into the actual chart and see how swing highs and swing lows behave in our actual chart. So I've explained these guys, this graphic representation. This is the actual chart of swing highs and swing low, and this is also another different pattern of swing high you can see, another different pattern of swing low you can see. All right, let's dive into the actual chart so you can be able to understand clearly about the swing high and swing low. All right, now let's move into the system. All right, this is an actual chart of this is Euro USD for our time frame. All right, as you can be able to see, guys, we have, you see, it's clearly here. We have swing high and swing low. So see the swing low, the swing high, see this high, see this low, see this low, see this high. So let me use this guy to explain this. See the high, see low, see this high again, see this small low here, see another low here. We have this. Now, excuse me. Now we have the low, we have the high. So we have very clearly defined, clear of swing high on swing low. It's not even hard to see the actual example I've shown you guys. So if it is not easy to see, don't consider that as a swing high, and don't consider it as a swing low, and don't tend to do what? Connect it to draw a trend line. I'm just giving you guys a step before you giving you steps on what you need to see before you draw a trend line. Now, later in the next lecture, I will just show you how to draw a trend line. So, these swing highs and swing lows you see here is just where you tend to connect, to actually get a trend line, being a bullish trend line or a bearish trend line. All right, in the next lecture, we'll move into, I'll still take it step by step and make the video short so you will be able to understand what I mean by trend line. So finally, before you can draw a trend line, you need to identify the swing highs and the swing lows in the market. And you can get a trend line by going higher. For example, in a family, we have the father, the mother, and the children. So before you can be able to identify the trend line, in order to swing or intraday or scalp, you need to come to the higher time frame, and let's use daily, and identify a trend line from the daily time frame. Okay, guys, it's still loading. Sorry, identify the swing high, draw your trend line, then come down to a lower time frame, bring it down to a lower time frame. We call it order flow of a hierarchy, and we can be able to trade, draw a trend line, and trade with the trend of the trend line. All right, so that is it. That is about that. And thank you, and watch out for the next lecture about this trend line stuff. Thank you, and God bless you. Zagatech FX signing off. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video for those who wants to learn and who wants to venture into financial market and financial trading. We learn together, we train together, we make money together. Bye for now. Peace.